Welcome to Elite Site Optimizer tool, the best product for SEO analysis. Let's walk through why ESO is the best. Our ESO targeting on new features like basic ranking report, comparative ranking report, page-wise analysis, mobile ranking report, audit report, on-page SEO element extractor, link checker analysis, analytics report, and top action items. Let's discuss about basic ranking report first. The basic ranking report tracks the keyword's preferred URL position and tracked URL position. It gives an insight to website owner and SEO professional to concentrate on specific page, and we could get the report in PDF and CSV format. Comparative ranking report. Each business has its own competitors. By analyzing, we could easily identify our competitors. For example, we could see our domain's ranking as well as our competitors' keyword ranking. ESO helps to understand competitors' most valuable keywords through competitive analysis. Page-wise analysis. Page-wise tracking for keyword is a unique feature of ESO. In page-wise analysis, we can see how many keywords perform on each pages. For example, we could see here eBay 25 keywords performing on page 1 and 40 keywords performing on page 2 to 5, 11 keywords performing on page 6 to 9, and so on. We can see our competitors' analysis too. We have a greater advantage here. You could get the report as a graphical representation also. Mobile ranking report. As everyone knows, mobile keyword rank differs from desktop keyword rank. Our ESO provides unique capabilities to serve your visitors in mobile platforms like HP Android, Samsung Android, and iPhone OS. For example, eBay domain gets rank 10 for the keyword online shopping, and our competitor Amazon gets rank of 1. With this, we could build our own mobile search strategy and get a complete edge in mobile search engines. On-page SEO element extractor. On-page SEO element extractor is nothing but auditing or analyzing the website to determine the images, number of alt tags, number of H1 tags, etc. An on-page SEO element extractor provides a report based on website current performance. It is used for eliminating the duplicates and missing title, description, missing canonical URL in the domain. With on-page SEO element extractor, website owner and SEO professional can analyze the system strength and weakness of the website. To run a successful and profitable website, you should audit the website regularly. Using ESO's on-page SEO element extractor, site owner or SEO professional can find these issues with working manually. You could get this report in different format. As you could see here, SEO shows overall view in graphical method and detailed view with multiple filter criteria like missing title, missing canonical, etc. You can export this report both in PDF or in Excel format. Link checker analysis. The link checker analysis explains the data about the links and their status within the domain. This link checker analysis section provides the details about informational links, successful links, redirected live internal links, client error links, and server error links. These link status helps to improve the domain performance. Link analysis is an important part in assessment of websites. You could get this report in graphical view and detailed view with filter option. You can export this report both in PDF or in Excel format. Analytics report. Google Analytics gives us key insight to show us exactly how people are using our product on different platforms. To boost sales, find more visitors, or you need to improve your business, ESO integrates your Google Analytics account and provides various important data including top performing pages, domain visitors data from social site, and domain visitor data from search engine. It also provides data in graphical view and table view to help site owners to understand about the domain traffic and the domain performance at a faster rate. Top action item. ESO generates and gives a report on top action item that a site owner or SEO professional can do in their domain using the different data from ESO. The action item includes on-page SEO element actions, domain performance action, links and visitors traffic actions. With this, ESO gives priority for this issue depend on severity basis based on ESO algorithm designed by our SEO experts. This is all about our ESO. Thank you.